LoadRunner Developer integration with LoadRunner Cloud, how to configure load test distribution directly from your IDE. You can configure your load test distribution directly from your IDE, without accessing the LoadRunner Cloud environment from your browser. And from LoadRunner 2021 R2, you can choose whether to run your test on the cloud or use on-prem load generators. This is a dev web script opened in Visual Studio Code. Open the lrc_uploader.yaml configuration file for the script. In the load test section, you select cloud or on-premise for the location key. You then configure the relevant section for your choice, either cloud or on-premise. Let's see how to configure the cloud section. First, discover which locations are available for your test. You can run the command scalrd lrc info locations script directory, or, if working with Visual Studio Code, simply choose the task Get Distribution List from LoadRunner Cloud. The output gives a list of the locations and their statuses. You can decide which ones are relevant for your test. You should only use locations marked as available. You then distribute user percentage across the locations, so that the sum is 100%. Now let's change the location value to cloud, and add the locations. For example, add vendor 1 US East with 60% of the users, and vendor 1 US West with the remaining 40% of the users. Now you can run your test and it will use the configured distribution. Next, let's see how to configure the on-premise section. You can obtain a list of the on-prem machines that exist in the LoadRunner Cloud environment. Run the command scalrd lrc info load generators script directory, or, if working with Visual Studio Code, choose the task Get Load Generators List from LoadRunner Cloud. The output gives a list of the machines and their statuses. Now we'll change the location value to on-premise, and add the on-prem machines. You should only use machines that are connected. Note that the current machine status does not guarantee that it will be used for your test, as it might be allocated to another test at runtime. For example, add Lab 1, LG1, Windows and Lab 1, LG2, Linux. You can define multiple machines. The user distribution is according to an internal algorithm in LoadRunner Cloud, so not all machines will necessarily be used. That was all. Thank you for listening.